Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to log into your TikTok web using your mobile phone. So if you want to use TikTok on your web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Edge, and you want to log in using your account, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser or any internet browser on your PC. Next, you want to go ahead and navigate to tiktok.com. Once you navigate to tiktok.com, you'll get this prompt here, log in to TikTok. Here you can log in using your QR code, using your phone, email address, or username. You can log in using your Facebook and your Google account. Now, the most easiest way to log into your TikTok account is through the QR code. Since everyone is already logged in to their TikTok mobile app, this way you can quickly get in to your web account as well. So we'll go ahead and use QR code. This will open up a QR code. On your phone, you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on Profile at the bottom right. Then tap on Share Profile. Now here, go ahead and tap on this icon here at the top right, which looks like a scanning icon. Now go ahead and scan that QR code. Now once you do this, this will ask you if you want to confirm the login, so go ahead and confirm that. Now once you do this on your PC, you'll be basically logged in to your account. And there you go guys, that is how to log into your TikTok web account using your mobile phone. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.